Hola peeps. So today I am here to help you guys start your day off right, because we all know how important breakfast is. It's like, you know, one of the most important meals of the day. But a lot of us in the morning, we are rushing, we're tired, we might not have a lot of time to devote to making breakfast. So you just grab any old thing or sometimes skip breakfast altogether, which is not good. So I wanted to come and share with you some recipes that don't take a lot of time at all, that don't take a lot of effort, but they're super delicious. And it tastes like you spent a lot more time on it, but you didn't. So all of these that I'm about to show you, they take about 5 minutes to make. Very quick, very easy, even for those of you that you're not very well versed in the kitchen. You're really not that good of a cook. All vegan / plant-based, you know how I do. So yeah, that's what I'm cooking up today. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw you right into the meals.
Alright, so we're starting off with a good old BLT style sandwich. Obviously, no bacon here, but in place of that, I'm using mushrooms. All you have to do is throw them into a bowl, add salt and pepper, a little olive oil, and some maple syrup. Then toss so they're all coated. Then place into an air fryer. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure to leave some space in between each mushroom so they're not touching. This helps them to get more crispy. Crank the temperature all the way up to the max and set it for 5 minutes. While the mushrooms are in the air fryer, you can get the rest of the sandwich together. So I sliced up a tomato as well as an avocado. And for my bread, I'm using this whole grain wheat bread, which I toasted. And I'm going to slather on some of this vegan mayo, then layer on both slices, and I'm going to add a sprinkling of salt and pepper. Then top with lettuce, those tomato slices, and avocado. And by this point, the mushrooms should be all done. So I'm going to put those on as well. Cut it in half, and I added some oranges for a little sweet to go with the savory sandwich. And there you go, a super tasty vegan version of a BLT, and this is like my absolute favorite breakfast sandwich. Next on the menu, we have a fruit and yogurt parfait bowl. For the yogurt, I'm using this vanilla dairy-free version. This is my go-to yogurt, by the way. Add some of that to a bowl, and then I'm taking some granola, and this is my homemade granola that I usually always have on hand. I'm going to pour some of that right on top, also adding fresh blueberries and dried cranberries, finished off with some unsweetened coconut flakes. And that is about it. I just love yogurt and fruits, and the granola, it just gives it the perfect amount of crunch. Extremely quick and easy and very delicious. Third breakfast idea, chickpea avocado toast. I'm using this whole grain bread again for this, which I toasted, of course. Gonna mash some avocado right on there. Then I'm taking these prepared chickpeas or garbanzo beans, whatever you like to call them. I prefer chickpeas, and pile those on, really load it up. Next goes some sun-dried tomatoes, and these with the Italian herbs are my favorite. They are so good. A sprinkle of salt and pepper and some red pepper flakes. Then a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, and I love this because it just gives the toast a much richer flavor. It goes so perfectly. And lastly, some black sesame seeds on top. And this toast is amazing. It's so filling with the chickpeas and then the sun-dried tomatoes and balsamic vinegar. Just take it way over the top. It's super good. Breakfast idea number 4 is a peanut butter, banana, and chocolate bagel. On this day, I used these plain gluten-free bagels, and this was actually my first time buying these, and they turned out to be super yummy. But anyway, I toasted them and spread on a layer of creamy peanut butter. I'm gonna top that with some banana slices. And then to take this from basic to bomb, I took a vegan chocolate bar and grated it on top. And also, if you sprinkle on a dash of sea salt, just the tiniest bit, oh my goodness, out of this world. So with the bagels goes some fruit on the side, and this breakfast is finito. So simple, but it's the absolute best, and it's perfect for kids as well. And now for the final breakfast idea, a black bean crunch wrap. I'm taking these prepared black beans and throwing them into a pan, and I'm going to cook these for about 30 seconds just to heat them up. Then I'm using this taco seasoning, and I'm going to add in a good amount of that because, you know, we like flavor over here. And cook for another 30 seconds until it's all well combined. Then taking a flour tortilla and adding on those seasoned black beans. Also using some picante sauce. And sliced avocado. Then roll it all up so it's nice and secure. And then to make it a crunch wrap, I'm going to throw this onto my little grill for about a minute or two. And then once you take this off, the tortilla has a nice hardened shell and the inside is super warm and soft. So with my wrap, I'm having some fruit on the side. I got strawberries and blueberries going today. And this crunch wrap is something I've been making a lot these days. It's so easy, it's so tasty and quick. And I just love that they're super portable as well. So they're really great for breakfast on the go.
All right, guys, so those were my five minute or less breakfast ideas. I hope you all enjoyed them. I really like them, and sometimes I even come back to my videos when I'm stumped for ideas of what to eat. I'll go, oh yeah, let me try that, because I forget. I make so much stuff, I forget sometimes. But yeah, these videos are helpful to me, and I hope they're just as helpful for all of you out there. And of course, if you want some more tasty vegan deliciousness, definitely be sure to pick up my cookbook. Pre-order now. I will have the link to it below. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, appetizers, desserts, all of that is in this little ditty. It drops December 15th, but pre-orders are open right now. And I do want to tell you guys that everyone that pre-orders this book, which means that everyone that orders this by December 14th, will get their copy personally signed by me. So all pre-orders will come autographed. And yeah, this book is just a collection of all my favorite dishes. It makes plant-based eating accessible, it makes it fun, it makes it easy. And I use ingredients in here that aren't super obscure, super hard to find. I use a lot of ingredients you can get just from your regular grocery store. So it's a very simple to follow book. I have food that people actually would want to eat, dishes that are familiar but just have, you know, my little touch, my flair to them. So yeah, I will have all the information for this right down below. But I think that is it. So thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon on my next video. Peace.